Welcome to nurtechsolution. Today I gonna show you how to apply for monetization of your channel. Okay, let's start. So first of all, we need to go to our channel page, and then we need to go to in the corner here, then click it, and under our channel we need to go to YouTube Studio. Just click it. Now we are inside of our YouTube Studio. Okay, so if we go on the left hand side, then if you come bit down, you can see like your channel. So under the channel, if you go more further down, you can see here is monetization. So we need to just click this one. Then we are under the channel monetization page. Okay, so under channel monetization page, YouTube said grow with YouTube. So and they said like how you can earn money and video create and support everything. You have to learn more. You can go to learn more and you have to check that on. And YouTube then describe about the YouTube monetization policies. So what the policy for the YouTube. Okay, so that's the basic things. You can go over there and have a look what's inside of that. Okay, so now we have to come in the bottom. You can see here we need 1000 subscribers. So this channel I have 1990 subscribers, so it's good. So next you need 4000 hours of time. So I already meet that requirement as well. Okay, so next one is the two-step verification. You need to active two-step verification as well. Then last one is like the active community guideline strikes. So if you have any community guideline strikes, so you can apply for monetization. Okay, under the YouTube strike community guidelines, so you have lots of things. Just learn more what they said. Okay, so when you meet this one, after that you can apply. Okay, but before that I gonna tell you some things. Okay, so YouTube nowadays don't give the monetization because of reuse content. Okay, so what's the reuse content means? Okay, so YouTube describe what you can do, what you can't do. Okay, for YouTube monetization you have to keep in mind, if you have like the content for your original creator, you can just you can do that like something. Okay, if you use part of the critical review, that also YouTube accepted. Okay, also if you rewrite some of the change or voiceover of any videos, then YouTube will accept that on for monetization as well. Also you can reapply for a sport tournament or something. Okay, replace something, that one also YouTube accepted. So please have a look all the things in here, what YouTube accept, what YouTube doesn't accept. Okay, so that's the main concern nowadays. You have to follow these things. Okay, so this is you can do. Okay, but on the right hand side you can't do. Okay, so it said don't do. Example of what is not allowed to monetization. So that's the main concern. So short video from like any social media or website, if you use that, you will not get monetization for your channel. Second one is collection of songs from different artists. So if you take any of the song from any artist, if still they give the permission, you can't apply for monetization, you will not get monetized. Okay, clips of moments from the favorite show, edit together with little or no no narration. So that one also will not accepted by the YouTube monetization policy. Content upload many times by other creator. If you use other creator to upload your channel, it will not accepted for the monetization policy. Okay, last one is promotion of other people content. So if you have like the other people content, you use that one, so that will also like you can't promote any other people's things in your channel. So that's you can do, this one you can't do. You have to keep in mind first, if you have that, just delete or modify your channel first, then go to apply, otherwise you will not get monetization. Okay, so when you meet all the things, now you can apply now. Okay, just apply now. So when you click the apply now, you will be in the under this page is channel monetization. So first step, second step, third step. So you have 3 steps. Okay, so you have to do only 2 steps, then third step will automatically started in. Okay, so first one is review partner program terms. So you have to read all the terms and condition, then you have to accept the terms and condition. That's they said to earn your money with the YouTube program. So that's they said about the first step. So start first one, just click this one, and we are under the terms and condition page. So it's said first one is like the which country you are. So I am in Australia, so that's why I put in Australia. So if you are in the different countries, just change country or territory, click that one, and it will change your, you can change your country, which country you are. Okay, then next one it said like the how they pay and like the, you know, like the how the impact of the payment or something like that. So that's no need to worry too much. So this one is said if you are under 18 years, so you have to be on grantor who will be grantor as a like the, because you are under 18, so you can't apply for the monetization. So you need somebody who is over 18. Okay, next one is like the your terms and programs. So that's one is YouTube partner program policies and YouTube term and service. Just have a look, quick look inside that. Okay, next one is the important monetization revenue. You will be paid the followings. Okay, so you will pay by two steps, like the two way. First one is advertising revenue. You will get 55% of the revenue, and YouTube will get 45% of the revenue whatever you earn by the advertiser. Okay, so when any video, any of your video, any advertisement coming, so if suppose $100 comes all together, you will get $55. YouTube will get $45. Same way it will be subscribe revenue will be the same. So they said same things in here. So it will also, you will get like the 55%, YouTube will get 45% of that. So that's the describe thoroughly just in here. Okay, okay, so just read it carefully and you can get all the information what they say. Okay, then second one is the payment account requirement. So when you apply for your monetization, when monetization, your channel will be monetized after when you will get like the $10 in your account, they will send a verification code to your address. So when you verified that, you have to add your valid account of your bank account, then your money will goes to like the same account whatever you will put. Okay, so that's the payment method. So you have to be like very careful about your bank details, give the perfect bank details. Okay, then money will comes to your account. So that's the set. Okay, payment, next one is the payment terms and limitation and taxes. So about like the how they paid, and they describe like the how the taxes and something. So they generally paid like within 60 days, that means 2 months, or sometimes it could be longer. But you know, like the if your account has like the $100 or over, after that you will be paid. If it's less than $100, if it's like the 2 month or 3 month, doesn't matter, they will not pay to you, because it has to be reached more than $100 of your ad revenue, then they will go to pay to your account. Okay, so that's how they paid. So you just have a look, quick look in here, they describe more things as well. Okay, so the following circumstance, so something like the what the circumstance, you know, like the they're gonna pay, or what's the right or something. So just have a look, quick look in here, they describe one by one everything in here, so you can get a clear view before you accept the terms and condition. Okay, okay, so that's the describing is like the one by one. Okay, have a look here. YouTube is the version of in the YouTube partner program is suspended. How they gonna suspend the, you know, like the everything's just over here, section 4 below, blah blah blah. Okay, so if just you have to requirement all the things. Okay, fulfill everything. Okay, the next one is the termination, how they terminate the channel. So if you want to terminate, or YouTube want to terminate, you can do within like the, it takes like the 30 days. So with 30 days you can do that. Okay, so that's the describe. So it could be like the electrical that means you can do it by the email or something. Okay, so you can breach the term and condition, YouTube also can breach the term and condition. Sometimes YouTube will not notify you, they're gonna deactivate your monetization. Then another one is the government law. You have to follow the all the government laws whichever country you are, so you have to fulfill like that countries and the USA policy as well. So last one is the miscellaneous. So what's the miscellaneous things, just they describe in here properly. The YouTube terms of service, this term replace like that, blah blah blah. So just read it. Then you have to tick first one, I accept the YouTube partner program term. Just click that on. Next one is set email update announcement. If you want to get any of like the marketing things from YouTube, just then tick this one as well. So I'm gonna tick both of those, so that should be fine. Okay, then when you finish that one, go to accept terms, just click that on. It will redirect again to YouTube. Okay, so just have a look, it's working. So it takes generally around 30 seconds. After that it will automatically finish the working. So you can see it's working. Okay, so they've already finished. So it said step 1 is done. So we successfully finish step 1, review the partner program terms. Okay, so after that on is set step 2, that's said like the sign up for the Google AdSense. So Google AdSense, you need to like create an account if you are new. If you have an existing account, you can use that on as well. So because YouTube and Google AdSense is working together, so you have to fulfill both of their terms and condition and everything. After that your channel will be monetized. Otherwise, if you finish like suppose like the YouTube side, not Google side, they will not accept your monetization. So be careful about that one as well. Okay, just then what we need to do, just start from here, click here. Then you can see you will be redirected to AdSense to the complete this step. So from YouTube they're gonna redirect to AdSense, that means Google, they're gonna send to Google. So do you have an existing account or something? So we're gonna first just click in the bottom, we're gonna see what inside of that. It said yes, I have an existing account. If you have the existing account, if you don't have the existing account, they said the second on that. And if you don't know about like the what is that, okay, so we will go for the second on, as we don't have any existing account. So click that on. After that they said on the next screen, choose the Google account that you want to create an AdSense account, okay, with. So they said something about like the how we can create now like the new AdSense account. So as we don't have any of the account, okay, just read it carefully. You can go to read more if you want, okay, learn more. This it is different up to you. Then when you're gonna see that, after that we're gonna go to continue. Okay, just click continue, and they're gonna say like the which Google account you want to use for this AdSense. Okay, so as our AdSense account we're gonna do for our channel Nur Islam, this one. So we click that. Okay, now we are in this Google AdSense. In the we have to like the sign up that one. So you can see your website and get more of the AdSense, something like that. So if you like some of the promotional suggestion from you Google, then you can accept this one. Okay, so I gonna put like yes this one, because maybe sometimes they're gonna send me some helpful tips or something. Select your country or territory, which country you are, just select that one. Okay, so I gonna click just bottom in here, and I gonna click the Australia, because I am living in Australia. If you are living something like the USA or something, just use that one. So every country has different term and condition. Okay, so make sure you read all the terms and condition before accepting the AdSense terms and conditions. So there are plenty of terms and condition inside. Okay, so you have to read all of the things, and you have to understand what's the terms and condition. Okay, you can see more. Okay, have a look, plenty of things. Okay, so when you finish the reading everything, when you understand everything, after that you say yes, I have read and accept the agreement. So then click that on. Then you have to go to create account. So go to create. Now we are going to term and condition finish, we are going to create our AdSense account. Okay, So under that AdSense YouTube account, so customer information. So now we have to give all of our customer information. Okay, so customer information, under the customer information, first one is like the account type. So we are individual, we are not company or something, so that's individual is right. Name and address, my name, then I have to put my address. So make sure you have to give the correct address, because when your channel will be monetized, after that AdSense will send you a verification code to your address, because they will post it, not email or something. They want to make sure that's your correct address. Okay, because when you will get that, when your AdSense ad revenue will be exit, like when $10 or more in your account, that time you will get that letter to your address. Okay, to verify your account and put your bank details and everything. That time you can verify your bank details and all other things. So that's the thing, that's why they want to like the make sure that's your account, you are the right person, not anybody are doing something like maybe some hacker can do something. So that's how they can't do anything. So you have to verify your own AdSense account. Okay, so when you will finish until that postcode, so after that, if you come bottom, you can see the phone number is optional. So I am putting my phone number, so you can put your phone number sometimes if maybe you need it. I am not sure, but it could be needed sometimes. Okay, just do it. Okay, give your phone number. So when you finish everything is here correct, then just hit to submit. Okay, okay, so it takes bit time. It's a redirecting you to YouTube. So they are redirecting to YouTube again, from because we are now in the AdSense, that's the Google things, it's redirecting to the YouTube. Okay, because they are partnered together. Okay, so now we come back to YouTube again. Okay, so we can see still they are working. It's working. Okay, so now you can see step 2 in progress. So sign up for Google AdSense. So that's mean we already did everything right. So it's under post progress. So it will takes bit time. Generally it takes like the, when you apply, it takes like the 48 hours, but it's depend on the circumstance, some of the cases. Okay, so it is under progress. So last one is get reviewed. So we don't need to worry about anything about that, because that will automatically finish by YouTube when and AdSense together, and they're gonna give our monetization. So it will take generally like Monday, if you apply from with Monday to Friday, it takes 48 hours, but sometimes it takes a month if your channel may be bit critical things or something, that time they takes more longer. Okay, so that's those three things. When you finish everything, that's all for your monetization. Everything you done perfectly. So just wait now 48 hours and you will get your monetization. And congratulations for your new channel and everything. Thanks.